I got some exciting news. I'm actually moving next week, and I was supposed to move like in August. To be honest, there's no rush at all, but we went to see a place, we fell in love with it, we didn't send the application, we sent in our application, got approved, and then signed our papers all within like a week. This whole week I'm gonna be just decluttering, packing. I'm going shopping for some decor. Most of the stuff we actually got online, so we're just gonna wait for that. For now, I am gonna be doing a little move out and moving in. After I came back from vacation, I did not bother and organize my room that much because I knew that I was going to start packing and create more of a mess. So my room is a mess. I have some clothes hanging, my towel, a chair with clothes. My bed is like the most organized thing right now. As you can see down there, I have those two boxes. I actually started packing only 2 things, my perfumes and like my lipsticks. Here I have all of my skincare. This is where I take my photos. And under my desk, I have a mess. I have some tech stuff, some books, my printer. Then I have my dresser, which you guys have seen me organize this top part so many times. I'm going to tackle my closet first because I have boxes in there, shoes in there, sweaters in there. Let me bring you inside my closet and just show you just the mess that's going on. I have my big bags here, which is why I usually never close my closet because they just take up so much space. Here I have all of my hair bands for when I wash my face. I definitely don't need this many, but different colors, different videos, you know. And I have all of my clothing here. I have all my hoodies up there, and then in the backpack I think I have some books and just like old computer that doesn't work, things that I've just been avoiding for the longest time. The real mess is down here, and it recently got more out of hand because I started collecting more boxes so that I can pack my stuff in there, and then my shoes are just everywhere. So as you can see, I have these boxes, and I'm actually going to tape them and put them together and start packing some stuff. If you guys can see it, but I am sweating. Expectations and then reality. I'm almost done with this closet. I just have to do what's on the door. Here I have most of like my designer stuff and also bags that I stuffed in here. And here I have my shoes. I am labeling every single box, not this one because I can see what's in it, so when I'm unpacking I know where to put it. And then as you guys know, these are my jackets and things that I left with the hangers on, so I can just put it into the closet really fast. Let's do a quick unboxing. I found a box that I guess I never opened up, and I also received the box today. One of the boxes I actually found while I was like cleaning my room. I guess I never opened it and just shoved it to the side, and it is from Replenix. I actually love a lot of their products, and I need to talk about them more on my page. So the first one is a Soothing Mineral Sunscreen Spray. Spray sunscreens are so convenient. This one has aloe vera, honeysuckle, aspen tree bark, vitamin E, and green tea, so pretty soothing. And I do want to see if this one's going to give me like a white cast on my body, which I honestly don't care. But yeah. Next product is their Hydrating Antioxidant Sunscreen SPF 50, and this one is a combination sunscreen. So it has octinoxate, octisalate, homosalate, oxybenzoyl, and zinc oxide. And I want to see if this one's going to give me a white cast or not. And then we also have their tinted oil-free sunscreen, which is Also a combination with zinc oxide and octinoxate, but it does have that tint, which is great. And then I actually ordered some products from Face Theory and they came in today. So this is one of my favorite BHAs. If you guys haven't tried this BHA, do yourself a favor and please do. It comes in a serum form and it's super milky and nourishing. It's gentle because it has like green tea. And then I also got 2 of their huge ass oils. So I'm thinking about using one for my body and then keeping the other one for my face. Now, speaking about skincare, I'm going to put my skincare away. Today I'm gonna get into my hair care because I have a lot of hair stuff and I haven't even gotten to use a lot of them, so I am gonna keep some of them here because this room is staying. Like, my mom isn't moving, so I'm gonna keep some things here and also so that she can use them. And I'm also going to tackle the top part of my dresser.
It's sunny at most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So, but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. The sun is setting down soon.
Good morning. I don't know if move-in day is today or tomorrow. Depends when they're gonna give us the keys. I think we're able to bring our stuff in today, but I kind of want to do an apartment tour, so I might end the vlog here because I pretty much have everything packed. I am making coffee with the new greca that my grandma gave me. I was gonna buy these online, but they're really expensive. They're like $36 to like $40 when you can get these for like 15 bites. So she went over there and got it for me, and I'm just making some coffee. I'm about to pour it. To start moving. This is about everything that I have. I still have some clothes. I have half of my clothes packed there. When I go and drop them off, I'm gonna pack the other half in the same suitcase. The car is packed. I feel like I could have put my suitcase in here, but I'm gonna come back later and grab that. For now, I'm gonna head there and meet my boyfriend, and then we're going to bring all these things up. We're gonna clean, and then tonight I'll come and get the rest.